Have a look at this 2012 Chevy Avalanche LT. Currently sitting at 123,610 kilometers. Features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, and remote start. Black leather interior. Back seats fold down to access the box. Rear view camera. This Avalanche is 4x4 and is powered by the 5.3-liter engine. PST has been paid on this Platinum Pre-Owned unit. Don't forget about our Platinum Pre-Owned warranty, 3 months or 6,000 kilometers. Come check out this 2012 Chevy Avalanche at Rosetown Mainline.